My name is Jose Torres, and the Gonzalez Law Group helped me with a criminal case. Before coming to the Gonzalez Law Group, I couldn't find anyone. No one wanted to take my case. Everyone was looking at me and telling me that it was an open and shut case, that I was going to go to jail for what I did, and it made me feel worse than what I already felt at that point. I had everyone praying for me, and one day my mom had a friend tell her, the Gonzalez Law Group helped my husband out with something. Maybe they can help him out. And they took the case. They said I had a chance, and I made it up. I guess what made me trust the Gonzalez Law Group is the way they made me feel. It wasn't like professional. It was more like they cared about who I was as a person and not who I was as a customer or as someone to take care of, It felt like I was dealing with family members or someone that I knew closely and that actually, gave me the opportunity to speak my truth and say what really happened. I know that because of the type of case that I had, it was extremely hard to find an exact date for when it was going to end. My case took 4 years, and I'm still suffering some of the ramifications of it, but I'm very happy with the outcome, and I'm very happy with the way that it was handled. My lawyer, Brittany, and my paralegal, Paulina, they always put my mindset ahead. They wanted to make sure that I was okay in my own way and to make sure I was feeling comfortable enough to have them take care of everything. I think what's next for me is hopefully finding something that helps me still cope with the fact that I dealt with this for 4 years. Also, going to visit family that I lost, that I couldn't go visit. It was hard hearing that you lost 5 family members in a different country when you couldn't go visit them. The day that I was incarcerated and released, the first thing I thought about was my future's over. I can no longer be the teacher that I wanted to be. And I'm glad that I'm where I am now, because maybe I can go back to wanting to be a teacher. Or if you have the Gonzalez Law Group on your back, you don't have to worry about anything. No matter how hard the case is, no matter how the odds are stacked against you, everyone here will help you out as much as they can. They helped me out with everything that I could possibly give them, which wasn't that much at all. And they still made a miracle happen. And I'm happy for everything that's happened so far. And whoever is dealing with the same issues or even worse, I hope you guys find the Gonzalez Law Group and they will help you out. My case was almost impossible to win. Everything was going against me. And somehow they found a way to, clear my name and tell my truth. And that should be taken very, very seriously, because it's not something that's just easy to get rid of.